knife that you use in the kitchen. That's not necessarily dedicated. This could be a tag video. By the way, if you can't tell already, that's gonna be, that would be not dedicated, but just used in the kitchen after, if needed, or if so be. And one knife from both categories, meaning one fixed blade. If it's a rat tail, so be it. It's a fixed blade. But I happen to have a fultang. Fultang. You can see fultang. Not folding. Fultang. T-A-N-G. Tang. This is one I use in the kitchen sometimes. Just slicing pizza. I do wash it. The blade. Pizza. I do go thoroughly. Pizza. I said pizza 3 times already. Cheese, bread, tomatoes. Same thing with this. Cheese, bread, tomatoes, ham. As far as piercing olives, not the safest way to do it, but if I'm in a hotel and I got nothing else, I go, I'm super hungry, or no, I don't have a fork. You know. Well, I pulled this one out. This one I might use to cut open a pack of mayonnaise. I gotta clean it. See if I can't clean it again. Might use to open a pack of mayonnaise or a pack of ketchup. Those little packets you get. Or open up a utensil that will allow me to eat my food with. That's how that comes into play with the other knives. Yeah. But I'm not asking for that. Getting a little off topic there. I'm just wondering what your 2 knives are. I figured I'd show it to you since I was fiddling with it. But since I was fiddling with it, obviously, for that these are my 2 dedicated. Not necessarily dedicated, but these are ones I most used for food prep out of any other knife. What are the 2 knives you use most? What is the one knife and both full fixed blade and folding that you use the most? So one knife from both categories. So you can have two knives as long as it's one fixed blade and one folder. And there's tag. So one from each category, basically. What are the two? So basically, what are the two most single knives you use to prepare food, or ones that you gravitate to use for food, if at all?